Hi, today we're going to talk about a very interesting automation that will help you create PDF files forever onto a Notion database. So as you can see, this is a service agreement template file which we have created over here. And in this video, we are going to create service agreement PDF files completely on automation. So in this template, we can see that certain elements have been put inside double curly brackets on both the side, like the date element, the company name, address provider, client name, and so on. All these fields that you see which have been marked inside double curly brackets on both sides are the exact same fields which we have created as columns in this Notion database. So what the automation will do is it will fetch the information for every column in this Notion database, and it will replace this information onto this Google document and create a PDF file for us directly inside this Notion database itself. So once you set up this automation correctly, it will keep on creating PDF files inside this Notion database on a regular interval of time as per the automation frequency that we will set. So once all the mappings are done, so for this we will be using this extension AutoDocCreator. You can just head over to AutoDocCreator.com and you can get access to this automation by clicking on this button over here. Once you purchase this automation and get access to this, you will be able to set up everything from the setting up the automation to mapping the fields, which will be explained in the video that you will get after purchasing the same. And once that is done, you can start scheduling the automation to run on a regular interval of time and create PDFs directly inside the database. So what we will be doing today is we will be scheduling the automation to run on every 5 minutes of time, and we will see how it will create PDF files for us. So you can see it is asking us to define how we want to run the automation on a regular interval of time. We can choose any frequency from this list. I'm going to go with 5 minutes of frequency. So every 5 minutes it will read my database and it will create me PDF files for the same. So I will save this settings over here. So every 5 minutes it will come to my database automatically and it will generate a PDF file for me. So once you have scheduled this automation, you never need to go back to this Google document. Even while you are asleep, this will still keep on generating PDFs as it will read the data for the database and create the PDF file. How will it generate the PDF? So you can see in this generate PDF column, there are three properties put over here: in progress, ready to generate, and completed. If you mark any specific row as ready to generate, it will create the corresponding PDF files over here in the database. So as you keep on adding data in the database, make sure to map this particular column as ready to generate. And once you do that, it will automatically create the PDF files in the corresponding columns that you see over here. It will store the PDF file on a Google Drive folder which I have provided beforehand, and corresponding to that, it will also store the raw PDF file inside the database itself, which you can start viewing for your purpose. So let us wait for a few minutes as it is going to run every 5 minutes and check the database and create the PDF files for us. So now you'll be able to see the PDF files generate over here as the automation is about to begin. So we have earlier set 5 minutes of frequency and it is going to generate the PDF files over here directly. So you can see the first file has already been created and it has also generated a drive link for me. So if I click on this, it takes me to the Google Drive folder where the file is already saved. So this is the folder where the file is getting saved, and you can see the corresponding fields which we had mapped earlier has been properly mapped, fetching the information from the database, and everything is already in place in this document. Similarly, for the other records, it is also generated PDF files as you can see over here, and the corresponding fields have also been properly mapped in this record as well. So we quickly created two PDFs which was running completely on automation, and it generated the PDF files over here. It has these raw PDF files as well. So if you click on this raw PDF files, it will download the PDF file onto a downloads folder, which you can check and assess as per your requirement. So that's the beauty of using this automation tool. Everything happens within the Notion database. You never need to go back to this Google document to run the automation again. Just schedule it to run on a regular interval of time and it will automatically keep on generating PDFs as per the scheduling that has been set, reading this particular record as ready to generate. So just change this record to ready to generate, it will create the PDF files for you. If you have any questions for this, just reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I will be able to assist you with any queries which you might have. And you can obviously check out AutoDocCreator.com where you can get access to this automation and install it and on your end and start using this automation for your use case. I hope this demonstration was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.